court is calling 2022 CR 3038, State of Texas versus Marcos Patino Cabrera. Could I have parties announced for the record for the state?
Michael Lilly for the state. Ivan Brewer.
And are you Mr. Cabrera?
That's correct.
All right. The court will note that there is an interpreter present. If I could have the interpreter, if you could raise your right hand. Do you solemnly swear affirm do you solemnly swear affirm you will faithfully translate from English into Spanish and Spanish into English, so help you God?
I do, Your Honor.
All right, could you state your name for the record, please?
Flavia Valle, license 314.
All right, we are here today for sentencing. You entered a plea of no contest to count 1 to aggravated sexual assault of a child, and there is no application. Are both parties ready to proceed, state?
Yes, Your Honor.
Defense?
Yes, Your Honor.
According to the plea bargain agreement, the defendant's punishment is to be assessed at 14 years in the prison. Is there anything you wish to say on behalf of your client?
That, my client wants to take responsibility for everything.
I'm sorry, the interpreter come here?
Hence the reason why he wants to accept the software.
All right, anything from the state?
Nothing further, Judge. It's just there is a victim impact statement that the victim father would like me to read after sentencing.
Okay. All right, then the court will follow your plea bargain agreement. As previously stated, the court found you guilty. The court will sentence you to 14 years in the prison. Give you credit for any time served. There's a $1,500 fine. Time and money will run concurrent. There's to be no contact with the complainants. And state if you can make sure that those names are given to the clerk so that can be given to parole.
Yes, Judge.
There's Chapter 62 registration, and that is a lifetime registration. Is there anything else from either side with regards to sentencing, state?
No, Judge.
Defense? Next, I'm showing you what's entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendants' Rights to Appeal. Did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it, and did you sign it?
Yes.
Because this is a plea bargain agreement, because I followed your plea bargain agreement, and because you waived your right to appeal, you do not have the court's permission to appeal. Do you understand?
Correct.
All right, and because this is a felony conviction, you're not allowed to own or possess any weapons or ammunition. If you have a question over what a weapon or ammunition is, you'll need to speak to an attorney. You understand?
Yes.
All right, Mr. Patino, good luck to you. Is there any victim impact?
Yes, Judge. It should be a quick fixing.
All right, Mr. Patino, they're going to read to you a statement. It's a victim impact statement. Just listen to it, internalize it. All right, state.
The actions of Mr. Patino have greatly affected the lives of my beloved family, but specifically my 2 very young girls. Since he committed this crime, my girls, my wife, and myself have had trouble to sleep at night. I am constantly afraid that someone will harm them again. I am no longer able to trust people like I did before. My children are also afraid. It has been very hard for them to even go out in the yard to play because they fear that Mr. Patino or someone will try to hurt them. I'm a family man, and I am always striving to be a support for my community and especially to my family. God has been very good to me, and I have been able to build together with my wife at home the place that we consider sacred and a safe zone for my children. It is with great sadness that the crime Mr. Patino and whom we used to trust were committed in our own home. My wife and I have been dealing with a great deal of guilt because we feel that we failed our girls, and I'm not sure if we will be able to ever forgive ourselves for letting a person with so low integrity into our lives and home. We were very kind and always provided support to Mr. Patino and helped him become what we mistakenly thought a better member of the community. However, now that I feel disrespected, angry, sad, but mostly I have lost, in a sense, my capacity to trust people, and I cope with that every day. Not to mention that my children are the ones who were hurt the most, and all of his actions were done under my nose. This really hurts. My entire family have been going through therapy, and I am not going to lie. It has helped, but knowing that there is a rule of law and that the court system works makes us feel better too. We pray that one day we can forgive Mr. Patino. I will try hard. With great sadness, my wife and I made the hard decisions to leave our home where my children have lived all their life in order to continue their and our healing process. It was hard for all of us to leave behind our home, our friends, our beloved community, and this is because of Mr. Patino's wrongdoing. I sincerely wish that he can seek help and heal himself. I wish that he can find peace with himself and get the opportunity to correct his path in life. I am thankful that he's going to prison, and the main reason is not because I feel that he could harm my children again. I will never allow that to happen, because I fear he'll do this to other children. I hope deep in my heart that this hasn't happened, but I will now sleep quiet knowing that at least for a period of time, he won't be able to do so. People should not be able to commit crimes like this and get away with it. It has been very hard to write the statement without utilizing foul language, shedding tears, or feeling angry. However, in the long run, I keep telling myself that someday we will be okay. Last but not least, I want to say that my family and I are thankful to the police, child safety, the courts, and the state prosecutors for being so empathetic with us. I pray for all your well-being, and I'm grateful that Mr. Patino is being held accountable for his actions.
Thank you. Yes, thank you.
Maybe